This 2025 Thor Motor Coach Outlaw 38 megabytes is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Perry, Iowa, 50220 and is offered for sale by McKee RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Thor Motor Coach is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features a Black Talon, vapor blue interior, sleeps 7, slide-out, and 150 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features Bunk Over Cab, outdoor entertainment. This 2025 Thor Motor Coach Outlaw 38 megabytes. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.